Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Betray. Betray means treat treacherously. For example, a double agent who betrayed some 400 British and French agents to the Germans. A double agent who betrayed some 400 British and French agents to the Germans. Synonyms: break one's promise to, be disloyal to, be unfaithful to.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The Italian sea defense was betrayed to the Teutons. Now, repeat after me. The Italian sea defense was betrayed to the Teutons. The second exemplar. Did his God help him when his own nephew betrayed him to our enemies? Now, repeat after me. Did his God help him when his own nephew betrayed him to our enemies? The third exemplar. There the Son of Man will be betrayed to the chief priests and scribes. Now, repeat after me. There the Son of Man will be betrayed to the chief priests and scribes.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The English language does not have a script of its own. The script is actually borrowed from Latin.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.